Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to apply 3D area chart in Microsoft Excel. To do this guys, just select the data or the table that you have and then click on insert. Here in this charts group, you have line and area charts. And in the last, you have 3D area, that is 3D area chart. Just select one of them and it's done. After when you select it, this chart appears on your screen, and from here you can adjust the size, or you can select and move wherever you want. Now just after selecting this chart, chart tools appear in the form of two tabs, design and format. In design tab you can change the chart style, or you can change the chart color, and also you can change the chart layouts. And here are the elementary changes guys about the axis, charts, titles, labels, table, grid lines, legends, lines and much more. Okay. Now when you click on this format guys, and then here is something related to the outlines of this shape, the color fill that you need, and the effect if you want to add. And when you will double click on it, then a window comes from right of your screen where you can do the editing. Okay, detail editing. Let's close this. Now guys, as you can see here, Jack, Sam and Jim. Jack for orange, yellow for Sam and green for Jim. So Jack represents the sale this way, and Sam this way, and the Jack this way. So here is the average guys, the total and the average. This height represents the November, October and December, and this total, and this is the average. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete Basics to Advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.